Yes, yes, yes. You know, just thinking about this barratry, yes. Where you decide to arrest someone knowing they didn't commit any sort of crime, yeah. And you think, well, ha ha ha, what's he gonna do? See, I wasn't in Squim, Washington. No, I was on the bus that morning. Yes. And I was in this library at 4:48 p.m. Yes. And I was not given any notice of court hearings. Yes. Now, this motioning of the court as the petitioner, I would say it's frivolous. Pooch. As a contempt of court, yes. Even though it's just a misdemeanor. Oh, I'm kind of wanting to get my wife out of the personal life of myself and my sons. Ooch. Now, let's say not only is it a contempt of court, because when you motion the court, you have a court proceeding and you have a hearing. Yes, yes, yes. You must have issued order reissuing temporary protection order. No, that's the wrong page. Oh, look at motion for default, order for default, motion hearing. Yes. And the order of the court was no, we're not going to give you a default dissolution of marriage. Now, when you add up contempt of court and you add to it the frivolous motioning of the court, I would say it's barratry. Now, I haven't looked at the definition yet, okay? But let's say you motion a court and use forgeries to issue a protection order. Oh. And the protected person doesn't appear in court. The petitioner doesn't appear in court. Yes. And I'm not given any notice of court hearings. I would say it's frivolous. Boo! Now, the word itself, frivolous, it sounds inexpensive. Sounds like a cheap word. Yes, it does. It's absolutely silly. It's one of these stupid words that very often are not used because of how dumb it sounds. I gotta fucking tell you.